Welcome. In this video, we will dive deep into the features of the indicator. This powerful tool is designed to provide traders, both new and experienced, with a competitive edge in the market, utilizing advanced price action analysis and top-notch technology. Let's explore the features of this cutting-edge indicator. 1. Non-repainting, non-redrawing, non-lagging indicators. At its core, the Atomic Analyst employs indicators that are non-repainting, non-redrawing, and non-lagging, ensuring reliable signals for both manual and robot trading. 2. Multiple filters. Equipped with multiple filters, the indicator helps remove noises and false signals, increasing trading potential and providing traders with more accurate analysis. 3. Comprehensive trading solution. The Atomic Analyst combines premium indicators and top-notch features into one comprehensive trading strategy, catering to both intraday traders and swing traders, as well as traders across multiple currencies and markets. 4. Intraday trading and scalping strategy. Designed for fast and accurate day trading and short-term trades, the indicator offers precise entry and exit points for traders seeking quick profits. 5. Day and swing trading strategy. With reliable signals for day and swing traders aiming for significant price moves, the Atomic Analyst serves as a reliable tool for capturing both short-term and long-term trends. 6. Multi-currencies and markets. The indicator works on different instruments and markets with reliable precision, providing traders with flexibility and versatility in their trading endeavors. 7. Multi-timeframes. Traders can utilize the Atomic Analyst on multiple timeframes with good performance, allowing for a comprehensive analysis of market trends across different time horizons. 8. Entry and exit points and arrows. The indicator identifies optimal entry and exit points in the market, visually displaying them with arrows on the price chart. This helps traders execute trades at opportune moments and manage their positions effectively. 9. Stop loss. Traders can set predetermined stop-loss levels to limit potential losses on their trades. The indicator allows for the automatic placement of stop-loss orders based on predefined parameters or manual adjustment by the trader. 10. Multiple take profits. Offers the flexibility to set multiple take profit levels for a single trade, allowing traders to secure profits at different price targets or scale out of positions gradually as the trade moves in their favor. 11. Trailing stop. Allows traders to automatically adjust their stop-loss levels as the market moves in their favor, helping to lock in profits while allowing for potential further gains. 12. Adaptive color coding. Utilizing candles color coding, the indicator reflects the strength and momentum of the price, offering clear visual cues for identifying trends and potential entry points. 13. Alerts to phone and email. Provides real-time alerts to traders via phone or email when specific trading conditions are met, such as when an entry or exit signal is generated, a stop-loss or take-profit level is reached, or when market conditions change significantly. 14. MTF analysis, multiple timeframe analysis. Allows traders to analyze the market from different time frames simultaneously, providing a more comprehensive view of market dynamics and trends. This helps traders make better informed trading decisions by considering multiple perspectives of the market. 15. Overall timeframes trend percent calculation. Calculates the percentage of trend strength across multiple timeframes, offering a comprehensive view of market trends and helping traders make informed trading decisions. 16. Prop firm ready. Designed to meet the standards and requirements of proprietary trading firms, ensuring compatibility and seamless integration for professional traders. 17. Live trading time session. Provides real-time information about the current trading session, helping traders stay informed about market activity and trading opportunities during specific time periods. 18. Live spread display, candle timer, and local time and server time. Offers essential tools for monitoring market conditions, including live spread display for assessing trading costs, candle timer for tracking time intervals between candle closes, and local time and server time for synchronization and time management. 19. Modern user-friendly interface. GUI. Features a visually appealing and intuitive graphical user interface, making it easy for traders to navigate and use the indicator's tools and functionalities efficiently. 20. Use the panel to change the time frames. Enables traders to easily switch between different time frames directly from the indicator's control panel, enhancing efficiency and convenience in analysis. 21. Live daily, weekly, and all-time profit. Provides real-time tracking of trading performance, displaying profits earned on a daily, weekly, and overall basis, allowing traders to assess their success and adjust their strategies accordingly. 22. Sell trades and buy trades. Potential win percent display with total number of trades. Shows the potential win percentage for both sell and buy trades, along with the total number of trades executed, helping traders evaluate the effectiveness of their trading strategies. 23. Terminal status connected, disconnected, and account currency display. Indicates whether the trading terminal is connected or disconnected from the broker's servers, along with displaying the account currency, providing essential information for trade execution and management. To maximize the effectiveness of the Atomic Analyst indicator, here are some recommendations to consider. 1. Currencies and pairs. Consider focusing on currency pairs such as Euro-USD, Australian Dollar-USD, New Zealand Dollar-USD, and gold, which offer ample trading opportunities and liquidity. 2. Time frame. Optimal time frame for utilizing the Atomic Analyst indicator is 1 hour, providing a balanced view of market trends and allowing for timely entries and exits. 3. Trading account type. The Atomic Analyst indicator is suitable for any ECN or low spread account, ensuring efficient execution of trades with minimal slippage. In conclusion, the Atomic Analyst indicator offers a comprehensive solution for traders seeking precision, reliability, and versatility in their trading strategies. Download the Atomic Analyst today and unlock the potential for consistent trading decisions and profitability.